Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials and scaffolding the widget so you can act immediately. Install the SDK and CLI, verify versions, and set API keys as environment variables. Choose a widget type and create the target or module in your app, then add the entry in the app manifest. Once done, scaffold a minimal component with placeholder UI and a simple data hook so you can iterate quickly. Now you implement the widget's core behavior and make it resilient. Build a responsive layout using Flex or Grid and wire the UI to app state or a remote API, adding local caching and retry logic to handle failures. Ensure you request only necessary permissions and implement background update handlers. Make sure to include accessibility attributes and unit tests once these pieces work together. Finish by polishing the UX, optimizing assets, and setting sensible update intervals so battery and data are preserved. Run integration and end-to-end tests across OS versions and screen sizes, then build release artifacts and submit to the store. Monitor crash reports and user metrics after launch. If things go wrong, first reproduce the issue in a minimal build, then check logs for network failures, permission denials, or missing resources. Fix the root cause before rolling out fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.